What's good, YouTube? This is not your average sneakerhead, Tony Ramsey, giving you another sneaker review. This time we're taking a look at a shoe that is not really popular amongst most sneakerheads. That shoe would be the Air Jordan 1 Mid. This one here is in the deep royal blue and black colorway. As always, I picked these up from StockX. As you can see the tag right there, the verified StockX tag. The reason why I got these on StockX was because I could not find these at many retailers in my size. I was only finding a 10.5 through a 12 available, which is pretty odd to me, but I did like the colorway and the pictures online, so I went ahead and gave these a shot. Paid a little bit more than retail for these. They do retail for $120. I got them around $150 at the time of purchase. While I do like the royal blue around the shoe as well as the black hints, there was one thing that really did put me off about the shoe when I received it. That was learning that this color right here and also along the side panel and on the tongue, that is not a sail colorway that you would expect from a shoe with this kind of color blocking. It is also a very, very faint light powder blue. So once I got that in hand, it didn't look quite as right to me as I thought it was going to be in the picture, especially with the red laces. The shoes do come with extra laces. Come with some light blue laces as well as some black laces. Come in this nice little bag with the Jumpman logo on them. I thought that was a pretty nice touch. But overall, that powder blue color kind of just threw me off. Another interesting feature about this shoe, the toe box right here, it's actually more in a nubuck material, so it's not leather. The side panel right here that is in that light blue is in leather in this panel, but the swoosh right here is actually in nubuck, as well as right here around the ankle collar, this part is in nubuck as well, with the blue being leather. It's not the best quality leather. I think it's probably more of a B grade leather. It might even be synthetic leather. The leather does not feel very soft to the touch like you would feel in most OG Jordan 1 highs. Probably because this is a mid, it does have a lower price point, so I could see why they would skip on materials. But if you're going to pay $120 for a mid, you would expect to get the most premium type of leather available. On the insole, you do have the Jumpman logo there in the same light powder blue as the outside of the shoe. And on the outside is done in royal blue. That actually do like that touch. While there are some details about the shoe that I don't like, I do like a few things about the shoe as well. As I mentioned, I like this royal blue colorway on this shoe. I do like getting 3 sets of laces. The black op pair probably was better in this shoe, as well as maybe the blue ones. Probably don't really plan on keeping these shoes. They just don't fit anything that I would really wear. If they were in that royal blue with the sail colorway with the black swoosh, then I could make that work. But with this light blue, just something that does not really fit into my wardrobe. Thank you guys again for checking out this review. This has been Not Your Average Sneakerhead, Tony Ramsey. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll catch you guys in my next review. Peace.